guys, welcome back to Brawl Unite, and today we are going to do some OP gameplay in Brawl Ball with Mortis, and I'm also going to tell you which brawlers you should kill with Mortis and some tips and tricks that will help you in Brawl Ball. Okay, so let's get into our first match. Okay, so now we have a Shelly, an El Primo, and Daryl. So now these all are tanks, so you do not go into any tanks as Mortis. So I'll wait for my teammates so they decrease the hit points of these brawlers, and then I can kill them or damage them at least. Okay, so Ahmed scored the first goal. Okay, okay, now we are going in. Okay, I'm lagging a little bit, waiting for the right opportunity when I can go in and damage them. Okay, was able to kill the El Primo. Okay, Daryl rolled on me. I think Rosa can kill him. Yes. Now the El Primo, I think Shelly will use a super. Yes. Not doing right now. Giving him a spin so he can indicate. Okay, got Daryl. This time I had to go else the Shelly would score. Okay, so let's check if Emma can do something. He uses super. Okay. Okay. I got the El Primo. Okay. I think they would be able to hold back to the Shelly coming in. Trying to dodge the shots and capture the ball. I know I should have not have gone, but I still had to go as else it could be a goal. Okay, so great defense. Let me run ahead. Okay, so one more goal from Ahmed. Nice play from Ahmed and Arneson. Okay, so in the next map we have Jean, El Primo and Shelly. I would like to take some shots on Jean but not on El Primo and Shelly. That's a very tank. So again the same strategy. I will wait for Leon and Madra Ucheka to take some shots on Shelly and El Primo so I can damage them and try to kill them. Okay, so I'm going to kill the ball. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, I need to kill the Jean. Oh, okay, so they I played really bad. Okay, so now Shelly and Jean, I think they would uh, can score a goal, but Leon was able to hold back. I'm soon going to max out Mortis as well. I've given some PowerPoint waiting for the next season to get some points. Okay, so now I'm going to. Okay, so let the El Primo versus Super. Trying to make an option. I know Shelly will use a Super. Okay, she had the star power. Okay, so I'm waiting for the opportunity. Okay, so it's a goal. Showing the Mortis sign, so it feels great. Oh, he once got it. Okay, so going back so I can heal myself, and then we'll jump into the fight again. Okay. Sometimes, guys, you gotta do it while you die or not. Pass, pass, pass. Okay, so he was able to make it. Great play by XD Leon. Jumping into our third match, we have B, Barley, and Rosa. I would definitely not go to Rosa. Can go to B, but still need to find an option. And Barley, okay, I can go, but the new gadget, Mortis will suffer from the new gadget. Okay, so Penn is trying to pass the ball to El Primo. I'm trying to juke shots and make some plays. I had to go to kill B. I think the Penny would able to take out B at least. Okay, so she was not able to. Trying to go in. Okay, so Penny helped me a lot over there. Pass me the ball, okay. Okay, so Stark and Shen Munia are trying to help me a lot. Well, please tell in the comment section if you like my editing and how I play and the way I commentate, etc. I'm soon going to break all the brawl talks frame by frame. So stay tuned for that. Okay, trying to dodge Barley's fireballs. Okay, good gadget, good gadget. Okay, killed Rosa. Lagging a lot today. They're going to heal up a little bit and then try to score a goal. Okay, so I think I can do this thing that I can wait here and I can then use prop my gadget and then rush in. Or let me like throw the ball. Okay, 1 second. Lagging a lot today. Okay, so I was killed by Barley's fireballs. Okay, so I'm trying to go in. Oh, Stark was able to make it in. Like nice match with Shermini and Tony Stark. Now we will jump into our final match, then try to take my Mr. P to rank 20. Okay, so we have a gold crow, that dynamite, and colt. Okay, so I can go after the crow. They are actually maxed out. Lagging a lot today. Okay, so I got died by crow's electricity. Actually, the poison, but due to the skin, it is electricity. Hey guys, now I'm going to tell you about the brawlers who can easily kill with Mortis. And first of all, we have two rules. Do not play no hurt Mortis, and the second is matters upon health and ammo they have. For suppose if a bull has zero ammo and you go and try to damage him, then you can kill him in some situation. Then we have Jean, then we have Gale. After the nerfs and buffs that Gale has got, Mortis can easily kill him, but in some situations he cannot. Then we have Rico, Tick, and B. B only go as a Mortis when B has low ammo. Then we have Mr. P. be sure that Mr. P's super is not close or ready so he can protect himself using the Mr. P's the porter Nani. If she has low ammo, then only go. Then Piper, no gadget. The auto aimer gadget should not be there, else she will push you back and slow you down, and she can easily kill you. Then there is Sprout. No, don't go for Sprout at always. Only go to Sprout if you are good with Mortis and try to practice in friendly games against bots, etc. Then Colt. Only go to Colt if he does not have a super. Then Dynamite. Obviously, you need to go to a Dynamite as your Mortis. Then Barley. Only if he does not have the Herbal Tonic gadget. It helps him a lot as it gives him instant healing. Then Penny. Go sometimes to Penny because she gives a lot of splash damage. Then Jessie. If she does not have the gadget spark plug or a recoil spring, then you should go as her turret can do a lot of work and try to damage you much more than a normal attack does. Due to recoil spring, a lot of damage is present. Then Ems. She does not should have her friend zoner gadget. Then Nita. And the Nita should not have her beer. So as the beer can also attack you under Nita also, and she can kill you easily. So be sure about this 1v1 situation. Then Poco. Rarely go to Poco as sometimes he can heal himself. Mortis rarely as he also has the he also has the star power, the gadget, and he's maxed out a lot of health. And be sure about the power level. Crow sometimes. Then Brock. Rocket laces he should not have rocket laces. Um, Rocket laces he can dodge your attacks and run away. Then be sure about Danzam. This chromatic brawler is a tank and you can die against him. He's very cute, but he's very violent at sometimes. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Be sure to drop many video ideas in the comments down below. Please give a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.